Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Auto Car, the channel where we explore cars that don't just move us from place to place, but cars that touch our hearts, spark dreams, and make every journey unforgettable. If you're new here, make sure you stay until the very end because what you're about to hear might completely change how you see this small but legendary car. And if you miss the video, you might miss some valuable information that could help you make your next big decision. Now, today, we're stepping into the world of a car that has broken stereotypes, conquered the city streets, and earned a reputation far bigger than its size. We're talking about the Perodua Myvi third generation. Yes, the small hatchback that has captured millions of hearts, and perhaps yours as well. But before we dig deep, take a moment and imagine this, a car that looks simple, yet perhaps surprising you. A car that seems small, but suddenly feels big, not just in space, but in purpose. A car that silently becomes part of your life story. The third generation Myvi might just be that car. So listen carefully, because if you skip even a second, you might lose information that you will truly regret missing. Let's begin with something people don't always talk about: presence. The moment you see the third generation Myvi, there is something different about it. You may not understand it instantly, but you feel it. The sleek modern lines, the sharper front fascia, the elegant yet youthful styling, it doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it whispers, "Look closer, there is more than what you see." Step inside, and suddenly it hits you. For a compact car, it feels unexpectedly spacious. The sense of comfort, simplicity, and practicality blends together like it was designed by someone who actually understands real people, families, first-time drivers, students, long-distance commuters, and even those who secretly crave comfort without the price of luxury. If you miss this part, you miss the emotional value that this car quietly delivers. Now imagine this emotional twist: you land, it's raining, the road is slippery, and you turns. At that moment, safety is not a feature, it is everything. And that's where the Myvi surprises many. With advanced safety assist features like autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, and other intelligent functions, the Myvi isn't just a friendly little car, it's your silent guardian. You may not notice it every day, but when life takes an unexpected turn, the Myvi becomes the hero you never asked for, but absolutely needed. But here is where suspense rises. For such a relatively affordable and humble car, why does it feel like it offers more than it costs? Why do owners keep it for years with loyalty that feels emotional, not logical? Perhaps that is where the magic lies. The Myvi is not built to impress the world. It's built to take care of your world. Think about those long road trips with friends, late night drives, blasting your favorite song, that memory of dropping off someone you cared about, or saying goodbye with rain on the windshield. Many cars can move your body, but only some can move your heart. And if you're still listening, here is a question: what if the Myvi is not the car you choose, but the car that chooses you? The one that fits your life story before you even realize it. So don't miss any part of this, because if you do, you may lose valuable information that could help you choose a car that gives more than what money can measure. Before we end, remember this: a car is not about horsepower, price tag, or brand status. It's about what stays with you through rainy nights, empty roads, tight budgets, hopes, dreams, and new beginnings.